It's the Super Smart Farm Show.
Hey there, farm friends. Welcome back to the Super Smart Farm Show. Elmer here, and boy, it feels like it's been a long day. I was up early milking the cows, then I fed the animals, then I spent a few hours out in the fields, and then some time making repairs to the pig pen. And before I knew it, it was time to milk the cows again, and let's just say my dogs are barking. I think I've earned a nice glass of lemonade on the porch, but first I'm gonna go check the mailbox. Oh, would you look at that, right there on top of the pile of bills. Someone sent me a postcard. It's from my cousin Derek. He and his family are on vacation right now, and from the looks of this postcard, looks like he's having a great time relaxing and enjoying himself. It's almost enough to make me jealous. I know I could use a vacation. But the truth is, it's not easy for farmers to get away. I've got plenty of farmer pals, and I know it's a question we all wind up asking ourselves from time to time. Do farmers ever get to take a vacation? What do you think, farm friends? A, nope, farmers have to work every day until they retire. B, yes, farmers can take vacations, but they have to plan very carefully. Or C, farmers can only go on vacation if the cows say it's okay. Did you say B? That's right. Plenty of farmers do take vacations sometimes, but because farms need care every day, they have to do lots of planning before they get away. You know, I was recently talking about vacations with my friend, Farmer Clementine. I know she has plenty to say on the subject. How about we go pay her a visit? Let's go. Hey there, Clementine.
Hi, Elmer. Hi, farm friends. What brings you around the farm today?
Well, the farm friends and I were just talking about vacations, and I was telling them that farmers sometimes take trips away from the farm, but that it takes a lot of planning. And I thought, hey, Clementine was just talking about taking a vacation in the fall after she plants her flower bulbs.
That's true. Every year after I finish planting the bulbs for next spring, I try to take a little trip somewhere fun.
Sounds like perfect timing for you. The fall bulbs are in the ground and the spring and summer flowers are spent.
Exactly. Flower farming is very busy in the spring and summer because everything is blooming and growing so quickly. By fall, things slow down a little, but that's just my farm. Every farm is different with different rhythms.
Right. I grow corn and beans, so spring, summer, and early fall are super busy for me too. There's planting season, growing season, and harvest season. It's hard to duck out for a week and just go hit the beach.
I hear you.
That's why I usually try to take a vacation during winter. The crops are harvested, the fields are resting, and there's a little more time to sneak away for a few days. But there's still one big problem.
The animals.
The animals, yeah.
There's no off-season when you've got livestock.
Farm friends, what do you think happens to farm animals when farmers go on vacation? A, the animals take care of the farm themselves. B, the animals go on vacation with the farmer. Or C, farmers ask trusted people to help care for the animals. If you said C, you're right. Farmers can't just leave animals alone. Cows still need milked, sheep still need fed, chickens still need water, and everybody still needs lots of care.
That's why farmers usually ask family members, neighbors, or farm workers to help while they're away. There are even businesses farmers can hire to help them care for their farm while they go on vacation.
On my farm, somebody has to milk Bessie and my other cows twice a day, every single day while I'm gone. And believe me, Bessie notices if breakfast is even 5 minutes late.
I don't have dairy cows, but I still need help when I travel. Somebody has to check on my sheep and goats, make sure they have fresh water, and keep an eye on the farm.
Hey, where are you off to, Clementine?
Oh, hi, Wally. I didn't see you wandering over. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon.
Hey there, Wally.
Hey, Elmer. Hi, farm friends.
Wally, who takes care of you when Clementine goes on vacation?
Oh, Clementine's sister comes over every day. She gives us food, fresh water, and makes sure nothing's gone wrong while Clementine's been away.
Sounds like she takes good care of you guys.
She does. She takes care of the goats, too. Last time she was watching us, Gilbert got his head stuck in the fence, but she came right to his rescue.
The important thing is that farmers are able to make sure their animals are safe, healthy, and comfortable when they leave.
Hey, tell me, Wally, do you miss Clementine while she's away?
Of course I do, but it's okay. She comes back. She always comes back. Plus, her sister gives us carrots while she's watching us.
She spoils you guys.
Sounds like a good deal.
It's making me hungry just thinking about it. I'm going to find some grass to graze on.
Thanks for sharing your perspective, Wally. You know, farm friends, vacations aren't just about having fun. They're also important because farmers work really hard.
That's true. Farming can be wonderful, but it can also be exhausting. There are early mornings, late nights, and lots of responsibilities.
Farmers don't always get weekends off either. Animals need care every single day, even holidays.
That's why taking breaks is important.
Hey, farm friends, do you know why vacations can be helpful for farmers? A, rest helps people stay healthy and do their jobs better. B, being away from the farm makes farmers want to farm more. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, after all. Or C, because cows love postcards.
If you said A, you're right. Taking breaks can help farmers rest and relax. And that helps farmers stay healthy, happy, and ready to do their best work.
Kind of like how you feel better after sleeping at night or relaxing after a busy school day.
Exactly. Everyone needs time to recharge their batteries sometimes. And sometimes vacations even give farmers new ideas they can take back to the farm.
Right. Like last time I went to the cabin for a week. That's when I decided to add ryegrass to my cover crop plan for my corn.
See, taking a break can lead to breakthroughs.
This is kind of making me want to pack up the truck and go off somewhere for a long weekend.
If you have people you trust to take care of your farm and your animals while you're away, who's to say you can't?
Good point. Maybe it's time to start planning. But for now, farm friends, let's see how closely you were listening today with a short quiz. Question 1. When do many farmers try to take vacations? A, during their busiest growing and harvest seasons. B, during slower times of the year. Or C, they don't take vacations. Did you say B? Great job. Farmers usually plan trips during slower seasons when there's less field work to do. Question 2. Who takes care of farm animals when farmers travel? A, the animals are fine on their own if farmers leave them plenty of food and water. B, they take care of each other. The horses watch the goats and the cows watch the pigs and so on and so on. Or C, trusted helpers like neighbors, workers, or family members take care of the animals. That's right, it's C. There's no vacation from taking care of livestock. Someone has to be there if the farmer can't be. Okay, question 3. Why is it important for farmers to take breaks sometimes? A, rest helps people stay healthy and refreshed. B, to get a break from those chatty cows. Or C, so that the sheep can throw parties while the farmers are gone. The answer is A, of course. Taking a break is good for you and helps you recharge.
Great job, farm friends. Your brains were definitely not on vacation for this one. Farmers work very hard to care for crops and animals all year long, so taking a little time to rest can be really important.
And even when farmers go on vacation, they still make sure their farms are in good hands because they care deeply about their animals, their crops, and their land. Thanks for talking vacations with us today, Clementine.
Anytime, Elmer. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a mini vacation of my own to get to. Lying in the grass under a tree with a good book in one hand and a glass of raspberry aid in the other.
Well, that sounds nice and relaxing. Enjoy. Well, thank you, farm friends, for joining us today. I hope you're able to take some time to rest and relax this summer, whether it's on a trip with your family, a day at a local park, or even some time in your own backyard. Because as we learned today, everyone, even farmers, could use a break sometime. All right, until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay super smart.
This episode features the voices of Eric Herlock, Candice Wierzbowski, and Steve Sieber. It was written by Candice Wierzbowski. It was produced by the Lancaster Farming digital team. Sound design and mixing by Justin Berger. The theme music is by Eric Herlock, with additional music from Epidemic Sound. This episode of the Super Smart Farm Show is copyright 2026 by Lancaster Farming Newspaper, part of the Steinman Communications family. Do you have a farming question you'd like to hear answered on the Super Smart Farm Show? Email us at supersmart@lancasterfarming.com. We'd love to hear from you.
It's the Super Smart Farm Show.